There are two types of video content you can use to promote your business. These are timed and evergreen. In this video, we're going to break down what each one means and when you should use them. I'm David Proud. I run Proud Business Productions and we specialise in creating high quality video content for businesses. So, evergreen and timed content. First, let's break down what they each mean. Evergreen content is content that's always going to be relevant no matter how much time has passed. So a couple of examples, you could have how to fix a leaky tap. Unless the fundamental design of a tap changes, that's always going to be relevant. Another one could be how to use one of your products. Unless you remove that product or you don't sell it anymore, then this is always going to stay relevant to your viewers as well. On the other end of the spectrum, you have timed content. So this is content with a very short shelf life. It could be a couple of days, it could be a couple of months. So this could be anything from breaking news stories to trending topics across social media. So a good example could be if you're a leadership coach and a politician makes a huge public blunder, you could quickly put together a video on why this had such a negative impact and what they could have done differently to inspire confidence in their leadership. So this video could be good for a couple of weeks while the event is still in the public conscious, but if someone finds it a year or so later, they might not even know what you're talking about. So, when to use each different type of content? The vast majority of your videos should be made up of evergreen content. That's because these are long lasting. A few years down the line, people are still going to find you through search. They're going to find you through recommendations, and these videos will just naturally grow over time. Timed content, however, is great for an instant boost for your viewership and can bring in new subscribers and possibly new clients to your business. So I would suggest planning all your videos as evergreen content, but keep your eye on your industry news. If a news story comes up that you feel you can give your own take on, grab your camera, produce a quick video and get it out there as quickly as possible. What are your struggles for video marketing for your business? I'd love to know, so leave them in the comments below and I'll try and address them in a future video. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe so you catch all of my weekly videos.